Hello viewers, welcome to a world glowing with the magic of Christmas. In today's video, we are diving into the most beautiful, creative and heartwarming Christmas lighting decoration ideas for both your homes and outdoor, whether you want a cozy glow inside or sparkling wonderland outside. Get ready for a of flood of inspiration and festive cheers. Let's begin indoor, where Christmas warmth truly comes alive. Your home can shine in 100 different ways with just the right lights. Start with fairy lights, twinkling and timeless. Wrap them around mirrors, headboards, or curtains. They instantly add the dreamy winter wonderland effects. Layer fairy lights inside pines on equal garland and hang them along star railings, mantelpieces, or outdoor frames. The soft lights reflecting off greenery brings an organic cozy glow. Jar and bottle lanterns. Turn old jars or glass bottle into glowing lamps. Add a few LED strings, lights inside and place them around your living room or dining table. It's sustainable, simple, and absolutely stunning. Christmas tree lighting. Of course, the heart of it all, your Christmas tree. Use a simple mix of warm white and soft yellow lights for golden inviting feel. Start from the base and work upward in spiral. For a modern touch, try alternative whites and color changing LEDs. If you have a fireplace, add candles, fairy lights, or lantern around it. Even a non working fireplace can become glowing centerpiece with strings, lights, and arranged in logs or glass jar. Windows and wall are perfect canvas for lights. Hang star shapes, lights, or curtain style fairy lights behind sheets, curtains for a glowing backdrop visible from outside, and LED snowflakes, lights, or glowing wreaths to your window. It's make your home look festive from every angles. On walls, try moon sign that say Merry Christmas or Joy. Pair them with picture frames, hanging stars, or garland for that cozy Instagram worthy setup. Outline your roof with classic white or golden strings light. The clean lines give your home a festive visible from away. Wrap strip string lights around your outdoor trees or bushes. Mix warm and cool tones for depth, or go bold with colorful LED for playful holiday vibes. Guide your guests with glowing pathways. Use solar stakes, lights, lantern, or mini candy cane light to line your driveway or garden walkways. Frame your front door with lighted garland bows and wreath. Add a glowing welcome sign or lantern by the door for that magical first impression. Use mason jar, frosted bottles, or old tin can punched with star shapes. Place street lights or battery candle inside. They create a rustic, handcrafted glow, perfect for chilly winter's night. For a modern twist, try LED projectors that cast snowflakes or Santa animations of your home. It's low effort but high impact. Great for outdoor fun and neighborhood admiration. Let's talk about saving energy while keeping the sparkle alive. The last longer and use less electricity. OPT for LED lights. Use timer or smart plugs to automatically switch off lights after bedtime. Solar power lights are another eco-friendly option, especially for outdoor decoration. And remember, less can something and sometimes be more. A few well placed lights can create a magical look without overdoing it. Want to your decoration to the next level? Try a lighting theme for a classic Christmas look. Stick to warm white, gold, and red accent. For a winter wonderland, go for icy blue, silvers, and cool whites. Or go playful with rainbow lights, multicolor LED, or pastel tone for a cheerful modern list. And don't forget add a festive scent with cinnamon candles or pine essential oil to complete the Christmas mood. So whether it's the twinkle of fairy lights indoor or glow of snowflakes projected outside, remember Christmas lights are not just decoration. They are teeny spark of joy that make every heart glow a little brighter. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. Thanks for watching video till the end. Please share with your friends and family. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel. Keep watching and keep supporting. Have a wonderful, amazing Christmas journey ahead. God bless you all.